Hi beautiful family, welcome to a new day and a new video. Today is actually the 12th day of our 31 days pronunciation journey. In case you're just joining me, you're so welcome to the family. Right here we learn how to read, write and speak. And if you sound interested like what you're interested in, then definitely you keep watching. And make sure not to make this the last time you're going to be saying this face, okay? You can join this family simply by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button, because in that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without wasting much of our time, let's go right into today's lesson. On today's lesson, as usual, we're going to be looking at these two sounds, east and the ear sound. East, 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 ear, ear. Ear sound. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's go into it. As usual, we're going to be doing it alphabetically. So the very first one, we have the letter B. We have beast. This is beast, beast, beast. We have the letter C. We have cyst, cyst, cyst. We have the letter D. We have dist, dist, dist. We have the letter F. We have fist, fist, fist. And we move to letter G. We have gist, gist, gist. We move to H. We have hist, hist, hist. We move to the next one, the letter J. We have gist, gist, gist. Letter K. We have kissed, kissed, kissed. We have L. We have list, 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 list. We move to M. We have mist, mist, mist. And N. We have nist, nist, nist. And letter P. We have pist, pist, pist. We have east, beast, cyst, dist, fist, gist, hist, gist, kissed, list, mist, nist, pist. Can you see how the sound is moving, how it is organized? Like I said in a previous video, English works in accordance. They are being organized, okay? We keep organizing letters and sounds. When we add a letter, a sound is added. That is, for any letter that is added, there must be a change in the sound, okay? For instance, here we have east, I-S-T, we have the east just like that. But when I added the D, I have the dist, 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 okay? And when I added the H, I had hist, hist, hist. And when I added the L, I had list, list, list. You can see how it keeps changing. Okay, right now, so if I decide to add this to become history, history, I just have to add O-R-Y. So words are formed out of a group of letters, a group of sounds, okay, that are put together. Okay, so let's move on. We stopped at P, so let's move on. I have the Q. We have quist, qui. This is the qui sound, the Q sound. We have the qui, quist. And now to the R, we have wrist, 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 wrist. And to S, we have cyst, cyst, cyst. And to T, we have tist, tist, tist. So we have quist, wrist, cyst, tist. Have quist, wrist, cyst, tist. Okay, we move on. We have the next one. So we have V, W, X, Y, and Z. So we have vist, vist, vist. We have whist, whist, whist. We have zist, zist, zist. We have yeast, yeast, yeast. And we have the zist, zest, zest. Okay, so we have vist, whist, zest, yeast, zest. So let's pronounce them together. So I have east, east. East is the basic sound. Beast, beast. Cyst, cyst. Dist, dist. Fist, fist. Gist, gist. Hist, hist. Gist, gist. Kist, kist. List, list. Mist, mist. Nist, nist. Pist, pist. Whist, whist. Wrist, wrist. Cyst, cyst. Tist, tist. Vist, vist. Whist, whist. Zist, zist. Yeast, yeast. Zist, zist. Okay, so let's go over it one more time. Beast, cyst, dist, fist. Gist, hist. Gist, kist. List, mist. Nist, pist. Whist, wrist. Cyst, tist. Vist, whist. Zist, yeast, and zist. Okay, so let's say the second sound. Alphabetically, we start with the B. We have the B. We have the Q. This is Q. Q. We have the do. We have the foo. We have the goo. We have the who. Okay, so let's see. Bu, Q, do, foo, goo, who. Okay, bu, Q, do, fu, gu, hu. All right, so we move to the next letter. We have J, Ju, the Ju. We have the Q, and we have the Li, Lu. This is the Li sound, Lu. Okay, we move to the Mu, Mu. We have the New. We have the Pew. We have the Q. We have the Ru. Are we together? So we have Ju, Q, Lu, Mu, New, Pew, Q, Ru. Okay? So we move on to the next one, which is the S. We have the Shu. So we have Bio, Kyo, Dio, Fio, Gyo, Hyo, Gyo, Kyo, Ryo, Myo, Nyo, Pyo, Hyo, Ryo, Shio. Okay, move to the next one. We have the T. So these both are pronounced alike, okay? The shio, 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 shio. They are both pronounced alike, okay? Sound, we have the vio, the vio, the vio, the vio. And we move to the W, X, Y, and Z. So we have the wheel, the zio, the yo, and the zo. Okay, we have those. We have the wheel, zio, yo, zio. Now the thing is, all I have here are not usually used for a word. There are some here that you can't find anywhere that matches them. Understand? So let's proceed. So I have this list, so let's read them together. Bio, kyo, dio, fyo, gyo, hyo, jio, kyo, lyo, myo, nyo, pyo, hyo, ryo, shio, shio, ryo, myo, nyo, pyo, hyo, ryo, shio, chio, vyo, ryo, zio, yo, zio. All right, let's go over it again. We have bio, kyo, dio, fyo, gyo, hyo, jio, kyo, ryo, myo, neo, pure, wheel, real, shio, chio, vio, wheel, zio, yo, zio. Okay, so you can see how we pronounced it. The real essence of me doing this alphabetically is just for us to keep mastering sounds, okay? Because the more sounds you hear, the more you master them, the more of these sounds you see, the more use you get to it, okay? The more you try pronouncing this sound, the more you learn how to put letters together and pronounce the sounds, okay? I want us to master how to pronounce sounds, any sounds at all. It is only when you know how to pronounce sounds, that is letters that are put together. I told you that words are being paired. The way you pronounce words, they are being paired, okay? If you know how to pronounce the sounds when they are being paired, you can easily pronounce a word, okay? So that's the reason why I normally do this alphabetically. So we have consistency, 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 insist, 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 activist, 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 exist, 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 antagonist, 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 capitalist, 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 tourist, 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 persist, 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 dentist, 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 narcissist, 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 dentist, 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 chemist, 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 narcissist, 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 artist, 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 twist, 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 resist, resist, resist. So we have consistency, insist, insist, activist, activist, exist, exist, antagonist, antagonist, capitalist, capitalist, tourist, tourist, persist, persist, dentist, dentist, chemist, chemist, narcissist, narcissist, artist, artist, twist, 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 resist, resist, resist. Okay, so let's see this side. I have pressure, 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 mixture, 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 culture, 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 brochure, 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 adventure, 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 adjure, 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 measure, 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 endure, 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 secure, 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 tenor, 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 incure, 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 figure, 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 failure, 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 pressure, pressure, mixture, mixture, culture, culture, adventure, brochure, brochure. This changed because of the CH, okay? This is sh. We have brochure. We have adventure, adventure, adjure, adjure, measure, measure, endure, endure, tenor, tenor, incure, incure, figure, figure, failure, failure. All right, so this is what we have for today's lesson, and I hope you actually learned something out of today's lesson. Don't forget to stay safe. See you same time tomorrow by God's grace, and bye for now.